Hey, my name is Camden with Universal Lithium Battery Supply. Today we'll be covering how to properly select your ULBS battery for your electric forklift. As you can see from this truck here, any electric forklift can be outfitted with a ULBS battery. This video will be an educational tutorial designed for both salespeople and end users. The goal of this video is to provide a solid overview of essential knowledge related to battery connectors and battery specifications. To find the right battery, it is ideal to have all of the specifications on the screen. Rated voltage, rated capacity, weight requirements, compartment dimensions, connector types, and connector position. The first step is to locate the data plate on your forklift. This plate lists the important details such as brand, model, rated voltage, rated capacity, and weight requirements. On older equipment, some of this information may be missing from the data plate, like on our truck's plate. In this case, refer to the manufacturer's digital specification sheet or reach out to a ULBS representative for assistance. Now that you have found the data plate or referenced digital resources, I'd like to take a moment to explain the details of each specification, starting with battery voltage. The battery voltage, usually found on the data plate, tells us the voltage the truck requires. It's very important to get a battery that matches this voltage. Alongside voltage, batteries are also rated by amp hours, which shows how much energy the battery can store and deliver over time. You can think of amp hours like a fuel tank. The higher the number, the longer the forklift can run before needing a recharge. Next, you will need to identify the truck's weight requirements. The weight of a battery plays a crucial role in counterbalancing the forklift, ensuring safety and stability. Typically, a truck will provide a safe weight range for the battery. Next, you'll need to determine your forklift's battery compartment dimensions. These dimensions play a crucial role in the fitment of your forklift's battery. Start by using a tape measure to measure the length, width, and height of the battery compartment to determine the correct size of battery your truck requires. Now that we've gotten the voltage, capacity, and dimensions that this truck requires from either the data plate or other resources, we can move on to what connector this battery needs. When it comes to powering forklifts, Anderson and Rima connectors are the industry standard. Let's start with the Anderson connectors, commonly referred to as SB connectors. The SB series comes in different sizes, each color keyed for a voltage: gray for 36 volt, blue for 48 volt, and red for 24 volt. The Rima series, often referred to as Euro connectors, also comes in different sizes and uses voltage coding pins for safety across voltages. Now that you are able to identify what type of connector your forklift needs, it's time to determine the position of your connector. This position determines the ease of use for forklift operators when plugging in the battery to charge. Please refer to the diagram on screen to identify which position your connector needs to go in: A, B, C, or D. Now that you have identified your connector's position, you will need to determine the length of your connector's cable. This will be the final piece of information you need. To determine the cable length, use a tape measure and measure the distance needed. This will give you the appropriate length for your cable. With your cable length measured, you've now gathered all the information needed to find the right battery for your forklift. Now you have everything required to select a ULBS battery for your electric forklift. If you need any help or are unsure, contact us at sales@ulbspower.com and we'll be there to help you.